Expert witness. Sexual
My graduation sneezes.
Expert witness. Did South Park Elementary allow sexual harassment to go on?
Well, when one little panda has another little panda to perform oral sex, that is sexual harassment.
And who's to blame?
I'm afraid the law states that the school must be held responsible.
There you have it. Straight from the horse's mouth.
After careful review, it is the judgment of this court that South Park Elementary pays Eric Theodore Cartman $1.3 million in damages.
All right, we did it, Eric.
3.
That goes in the master bedroom. Well, Kyle, your new house.
4.
Big. Yes, it is big, isn't it? It is very big.
Dad, if the school has to pay you and Cartman $1.3 million, where does that money come from?
5.
Schools have lots of money. You see, we all pay taxes, and part of that tax money goes to public schools. And it's from that money that we got our $1.3 million.
6.
You don't see a problem with that?
No, it's a very fragile system that nature has designed. All things flow into each other.
7.
Sort of, yeah.
Okay, children, there's a few changes being made here at school, but let's go on as normal.
8.
Questions? Yes, Dan.
Where's our desk?
Right. A lot of cuts had to be made since the school's funding is short for lawsuits.
9.
See, Cartman, you see what this has done? All I know is I got this sweet digital watch and these cool shoes. I'm telling you guys, suing people kicks ass. Wow, I want to
10.
get a lawyer. Yeah!
Well, let's just try to cope with the changes and do our schoolwork. Now, I'm going to write a sentence on the board, and I want you to tell me the noun.